We have here a kid race car driver costume. So we're going to take it out and I'm going to let my child put it on. Oh, should we put it on? Okay. So you can see the material is super, super nice. Nice and thick, nice and soft, super cute, really well made with the fun little decorations on it. Fun details. So it's really made really well and made to last a long time. It also has a fun little elastic for the bottom for the feet. Even the cuff has a little Velcro so you can make it tighter if you need to for the child. It's very well made. So you can see the material is nice and soft. My child is not having no issues wearing it. It's very comfortable and really fun to wear. So this race car driver costume is super cute. My boy loves it. Is it so fun? Mm-hmm. So they can pretend to be a little driver for Halloween or any time of the year. Beep, beep.